is October 27, 2020. This one here, I got a call for broken kitchen faucet. It's not working, broken. So I'm on my way over there now and see if I can fix it for the lady. Another damsel in distress, Mama. We're on our way over there to see if we can help her out. Her faucet is broken, she said. Maybe a handle or the spout, I don't know. We'll have to see when we get there.
Take exit 4 on the left to M195E. I put the drain cleaner. I wait a while and then I put.
It's backing up. We're gonna change the faucet first, but
yeah, but what,
the drain's backing up too.
Yeah,
you didn't try a plunger?
What?
You didn't try a plunger?
No. Maybe he did.
Well, we're gonna change the faucet first, but all right. I gotta pull all this shit out of here, but alright. This faucet's beat, gotta change it. So I got the same one, basically. Alright, got the new faucet in there. I'm gonna try to hit that with a plunger. See if it goes down. Woo! She's dirty. Yeehaw! Nope, don't look like it. I'll have to sneak it, maybe. I don't know. Not looking pretty, is it? The old fountain of youth. The old fountain of youth.
Oh my gosh, that's terrible.
That's what I said. Try to get the snake down there and see if we can loosen it up.
Yeah, this house is very old, so that's probably been building up for years and years.
Maybe. Got me all wet over here. It's peeing on me. See if we can get the snake down here and clear it. Hopefully. Snake broke my snake, son of a bitch. See it? That ain't no good.
How come they're busted like that?
I think I have another one in the truck. It's connected to the bathroom?
Yeah, because every time if I plunge this, the water comes up in the bathroom sink.
The thing is, we have to get it down the drain, or it's not gonna work.
Yeah.
It's gotta go down. So they're both connected.
Have you still got that little chihuahua?
Yeah. Yeah, I got her with me.
Oh, she's in the truck?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got my son's dog. She's a nuisance.
So I don't know if I can get that. If I can get it to go down the drain, the snake. If I can get it to go down, we could be good. I'm gonna try it with a different type of snake, a different head. I got a new 1/4-inch snake. I'm gonna try it. See if we can get it down there. Got a new snake. I think it's going. Yeah, it's going. It's gotta go down. Yeah, it's going down. It's going down. Alright, I think I got it. Fucking dog bit me. Right in the arm, right in the hand. I'll kill that son of a bitch. What a flippin' shit show. Alright, let's see if it backs up now. Should go down now. Going down. Bit by a dog.